Will the U.S. Supreme Court make a decision that could change the future of TikTok in America forever? With the clock ticking down to January 19th, 2025, the High Court is poised to decide whether TikTok's parent company, ByteDance, will be forced to sell its U.S. operations or face a complete nationwide ban. The stakes have never been higher. The U.S. Supreme Court is on the brink of making a game-changing decision that could shape the future of TikTok in America. With the clock ticking down to January 19th, 2025, the High Court is poised to decide whether TikTok's parent company, ByteDance, will be forced to sell its U.S. operations or face a complete nationwide ban. The stakes have never been higher. During oral arguments on January 10, 2025, justices appeared unconvinced by TikTok's defense, which argued that the law violates First Amendment rights. Instead, they honed in on one of the most pressing concerns of the digital age: national security. Chief Justice John Roberts and Justice Brett Kavanaugh pointed to the serious risks of espionage, blackmail, and the potential misuse of data if the Chinese government gains access to TikTok's vast user base. These fears highlight the fragile balance between privacy, freedom of speech, and national security. TikTok's legal team argues that the law, signed by President Joe Biden in April 2024, would essentially cripple the platform, potentially shutting it down if ByteDance is forced to divest its U.S. assets. But the justices seem more concerned with the broader implications for U.S. safety, questioning whether the risks associated with foreign influence outweigh the app's cultural significance. As the January 19th deadline draws near, the tension is palpable. The Supreme Court's decision will not only affect TikTok's future in the U.S., but could set a precedent for how governments handle tech companies with global reach. This moment is poised to define the clash between the power of tech giants and the authority of national security. But here's the twist. The final ruling will coincide with the inauguration of President-elect Donald Trump, who has already made his opposition to the ban known. Could his stance inject new uncertainty into the case at the last minute? The potential outcome is as unpredictable as it is crucial. In the end, the Supreme Court's decision could either pave the way for TikTok to continue flourishing in the U.S. or lead to its ban, sending shockwaves through the tech and entertainment industries. As we await the final ruling, one thing is clear: this case is about much more than just an app. It's a defining moment in the battle between privacy, freedom, and national security.